Hey guys, and welcome back to day 2 of my advent calendar full of funny recipes. So today I want to show you some chocolatey Christmas cookies that we very much enjoyed, and yeah, they just have a very nice chocolatey taste. So let's get started. You want to take your ground hazelnuts and your flour in a bowl. Then you want to go ahead and add some cinnamon, and sugar, and the cocoa powder. And then you want to go ahead and give that a good mix. Then you want to add the eggs. As well as the butter, and you want to cut it down like this, and then you want to knead it all together to get a nice even dough. You also want to add in the rum flavor, and then put that dough into the fridge for an hour. After that, you want to go ahead and roll it out, and you want to try to make it into a square shape as well as you can. Then you want to cut it into stripes. And then you want to make sure you get these kind of sticks. Then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. When they're completely cooled down, you want to take your jam and you want to put that on one side of a cookie and then stick another cookie on top. And now you want to go ahead and melt your chocolate, and then you just want to take these cookies and dip both ends in there. And then you want to let them dry down and you're ready to enjoy them. So as I said, these were very delicious, and especially for the chocolate lovers out there, just, I love the imperfection of making these at home. You can see that every single one looks different, and I think that's a fun thing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you tomorrow.